Rain is a vital part of our ecosystem. It starts in the clouds, where water vapor condenses. The water droplets grow larger and heavier. When conditions are right, rain falls to the ground. Rain nourishes plants, promoting growth. It fills rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. Rain helps regulate temperatures in the environment. It plays a role in the water cycle. Rain supports various animal habitats. It promotes soil health by replenishing nutrients. Rain influences weather patterns across the globe. Some regions depend heavily on seasonal rains. Pollutants can wash away with the rain, impacting ecosystems. Excessive rain can lead to floods, disrupting life. Rainfall is measured to monitor environmental health. Local communities work to manage rainwater sustainably. The sound of rain is also important for calming effects. Understanding rain fosters greater appreciation for nature. Conserving water and managing rain is crucial. Every drop of rain counts in maintaining our ecosystem.